Hi, Ravi Sankar. How are you? Happy Friday. So, I've been going over your website, and the first thing I noticed is the CTA. One is you have two CTAs. What's always going to convert the most is having just one clear goal, one CTA. And as well as you have it as white. White doesn't work well usually, and it doesn't look like an actual button. It's just kind of text. So most people are not going to know it's necessarily a button. If you can make more of a proper button, it'll be a lot better. Loyalty now. So for this header, it would be better to add more of a benefit focus, like USP geared benefit, like, get seamless payments now, or, we provide better payment terms, or however you like to gear it. Next, this is kind of, it's very just generic with this intro. What I would do instead is, I saw you had a benefit section. I would start first with the benefit section right after the hero, and it does look a bit bland. It's very 2015, but that could be more updated. So start with benefits, then get into reviews. I don't see any social proof really. So social proof is something very key that you'll definitely need. Also adding a FAQ. So these are just the top 3-4 things I've noticed that'll make a really big impact to your conversions. I recently just worked on an IT services website and an app startup page. So your kind of page is business model, something I'm very familiar with, and I can do a great job and efficient job at it. So are you free to discuss more on Monday or Tuesday at around 12 or 1 p.m. EST? Let me know, please, and happy to discuss more. Your page definitely, it could use a lot of work, and it's something I'm happy to help with. Have a great day, and hope you're doing well.